you for coming to my vlog. Thank you for enjoying cooking together with me during the live streams. Thank you for recommending dishes from all around the world. Thank you for always looking forward to my short videos. Today's vlog is about making flags for my world cooking videos. It's not in today's vlog, but recently I also made flags for Laos and Jamaica. When I started YouTube, I was just making fun cooking videos, but a wonderful viewer from Scotland joined my live stream. After that, I started cooking dishes from around the world. When I cook food from different places, I thought having a flag might make it easier to understand, maybe make people happy. I usually print them at a convenience store and attach them to toothpicks. The day that wonderful viewer from Scotland came, I immediately thought I should try cooking Scottish food. When I made a Scotch pie, I didn't have the idea of using a flag yet, so that part is a little sad. But thanks to that first step, now I can cook many new dishes from around the world. Today I made many flags. I'm excited to cook more dishes from around the world. Actually, I'm not sure what dishes I'll cook yet, but today I made flags from many different places. Maybe I'll cook them one day. Please tell me where you are from and what food you recommend. Of course, if you have a favorite dish from anywhere in the world, please tell me that too. I've received many recommendations from you. Steak pie and Scotch broth from Scotland, pizza from Italy, sticky rice and Jeow dipping sauce from Laos. I learned that in the United States, a creamy white fish soup is called fish chowder. And jerk chicken and jerk rice from Jamaica, and paella from Spain. You've taught me so many dishes. Thank you so much for all the wonderful ideas. I'm truly grateful. Thank you for watching today's vlog. See you in the next vlog or in my daily live stream. Thank you for your wonderful messages. Your messages always encourage me. See you again.